Hi, I'm Billy Finan. I'm the co-chair of the Livingston Committee for Diversity and Inclusion.
And I'm Amanda Jones, and I am on the committee for Livingston Celebrates Israel.
Livingston Celebrates Israel.
We hope to see you on May 9th from 4:30 to 7 at our Livingston Celebrates Israel event. It will be happening at Livingston's Town Hall at our new flagpole.
Livingston Celebrates Israel. And we're going to be raising the Israeli flag. We're also going to have a lot of activities for kids. There's going to be food to purchase, kosher food trucks, kosher restaurants are going to be represented. We hope you'll join us. It's going to be a really great afternoon.
Livingston Celebrates Israel.
See you there, Livingston.
Livingston Celebrates Israel.
Muslims also celebrate the State of Israel and also jointly celebrate the State of Palestine.
Come and join us.
Woohoo!